In this tutorial video, you will learn how to send documents by mail using OnlineCheckWriter.com, powered by Zil Money. To get started, click the Business Tools button on the side panel. Then, select Mail Document from the drop-down. You will be redirected to the Mail Document page. Click the Send button to begin. Here, you can upload your document by either selecting a file or dragging it into the upload area. Next, choose the pages you want to mail. Either select individual pages or choose all pages at once. If needed, click Add to upload another PDF. The newly added file will be automatically merged with the current document. Once your pages are selected, click Continue. Now enter your document details. Choose a From address from the drop-down, or create a new one using the plus New button. Next, select your shipping type from the drop-down. All related fields will update automatically. To add more recipients, click the Add Recipient button. You can enter your file name and update your From address or shipping type directly in their respective fields. Select your payee from the drop-down, or add a new one using the plus New button. If the payee address is invalid, click the Edit icon to update it. To remove a specific row, use the Delete icon. You can view the total shipping cost here. Once everything is completed, click the Mail Now button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes to proceed. Your document has now been mailed successfully. You can view it anytime in the Records section. Click the three dots menu next to any document. Click the eye icon to view detailed document mail information. To view your uploaded documents, click View Documents. To upload another document, click the Upload button and add your attachments. Choose a file or drag it into the upload area. Your document will be uploaded instantly. You can mail it right away, or click Done to send it later. Your uploaded documents will appear under the records. To mail any document from the list, select it and click Mail. Choose a From address and shipping type in the appropriate fields. Select your payee from the drop-down or add a new one using the plus New button. Once everything is completed, click Mail to send. Your document will be mailed successfully. You can also send documents in bulk. Click the Bulk Mail button and enter the required details. These details will automatically fill in the corresponding fields. You can add the payee here and update the details here as needed. Use the buttons provided to add or remove fields, and use the Delete icon to remove specific entries. Once all the details are ready, click the Mail button. Your mailed documents will appear under the records.